Pope Francis makes another major announcement weeks before his visit to the U.S., making it easier for Roman Catholics to obtain an annulment. 23 ABC's James Johnson joins us live now with local reaction to this announcement. James.
Pope Francis does it again, this time making a major announcement on how the Catholic Church will be handling marriage annulments from now on. Making it easier for Catholics to annul their marriages. Pope Francis made the announcement on Tuesday, a process long criticized by Catholics as complicated and expensive.
A lot of people inquire, but sometimes when they hear how tedious, how difficult it is, they never come back.
These new rules are intended to streamline the process, making it faster. Before, annulments would require two separate judgments made by a diocesan tribunal. Now the process will be overseen by a local bishop and require one judgment, speeding up the process.
It's kind of like written testimony. They answer a lot of questions about their upbringing, their family life, how they met their former spouse, and what was that marriage like, what went on in the marriage.
Here in Kern County, family law attorney Bobby Cloud has helped families file annulments through the courts.
There's a lot of people that ask for annulment, but you have to find out what the basis of it is. And if it falls into one of these categories, then you have to get deeper into the factual situation to see if it's something you can prove to a judge.
In California, an annulment is when the courts say a marriage is not legally valid due to a variety of reasons, like still being married when getting married to someone else, being forced to marry someone, or being of unsound mind when getting married.
It's a harsh way to say it, but in the courts, this is really a business transaction. Two people entered into a contract. It has certain ramifications under the law, and dealing with the divorce is very dollars and cents.
Local dioceses will be asked to establish groups to reach out to couples seeking annulments, which is different than civil law and addresses the Catholic Church's own marriage laws.
Sometimes there are reasons to justify the end of a marriage. And that's what we want to do, is be pastoral with people and say, listen, we understand why your marriage ended, and we forgive you, and let's move forward.
With this announcement, the Catholic Church doesn't want to appear to be encouraging divorce, but make it easier for estranged couples to prove their marriage was invalid from the beginning. Reporting live, James Johnson, 23 ABC.
And stay tuned to 23 ABC News this week as we start our special reports on the Pope's visit. We will have live coverage, including people here in Kern County who were involved in the festivities. It's all part of our continuing coverage of the Pope Francis's first visit to the United States.